Hello students, in this video I will discuss the integral of the form 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx or reducible to this form. Now let us start with question number 1. Find the integral of 1 upon 2x square plus x minus 1 dx. Now in this question, first make the coefficient of x square 1. So taking 2 common, x square plus half of x minus 1 by 2 dx. Now this 1 upon 2 is a constant, so we can take it out of the integral. 1 upon 2 integration dx upon x square plus x upon 2 minus 1 by 2. Now in these questions we make the denominator a perfect square. To make the denominator a perfect square, see the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is half here, so I can write this is equal to 1 by 2 dx. I can write this as x square plus multiply by 2 into x upon into 1 upon 4, multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2, minus 1 upon 4, 2 dx. Now this half is dx upon x. If we add the square of 1 upon 4 and subtract the square of 1 upon 4, means adding the half of the coefficient of x, square of the half of the coefficient of add and subtracting. So dx is equal to x square plus 2ab, x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon, balancing it, minus 1 upon 4 square plus 1 minus 1 upon 2. Now these three terms make a perfect square, and this is the whole square of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is it is the whole square of x plus 1 upon 4. Using the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this is equal to half integration dx upon x plus 1 upon 4 whole square. So why we add the half of the coefficient of x? Because to make the coefficient, bring the this in the form 2ab, we multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Now this is the whole square of x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 2, which is on further simplification 1 by 2 integration dx upon x plus 1 upon 4 whole square minus, we can take here 16 as the LCM, or minus 1 by 16, 1 by 16 and 1 by 2, same sign, so adding them 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2, that is 16, 1 plus 8, 9 upon 16, minus 9 upon 16. Now 1 by 2 dx x plus 1 upon 4 square minus, this is in the form x square minus a square, which is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2a, that is 1 upon 2 into a, value of a is 3 upon 4 here, log mod x minus a, that is x plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 upon x plus a, x plus 1 by 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus c. Now this 4 and 4 is cancelled, so this is equal to 1 upon 3 log mod x minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is minus 2 upon 4, x minus 2 upon 4, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2, x minus 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 1, x plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to 1 upon 3 log mod 2x minus 1 upon this. If we take the LCM as 2, then this will come in the denominator, 2 into x plus 1 plus c. So this is the final answer of this question. Next question, integral of 1 upon 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. Now this is equal to 1 upon 3, and to make this term positive x square, take minus sign common, x square minus 2x dx, which is equal to upon 3 minus this x square minus to half of the coefficient of x, that is 1. So adding 1 square and subtracting 1 square, x square minus 2x plus 1 square and minus 1 square. Bracket close. This is equal to integral dx upon 3 minus, these three terms make a perfect square, x minus 1 whole square minus 1. Now on opening this bracket, negative sign is outside, so this will become positive and this will become negative. So this is equal to integration of dx upon x 3 minus x minus 1 whole square plus 1. 3 and 1 is 4, so integral of dx upon 4 minus x minus 1 whole square. Now this 4 can be written as dx upon 2 square minus x minus 1 whole square. So if the coefficient of x is 1, then directly these formulas can be applied. So here it is of the form a square minus x square dx, 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. So 1 upon 2 into value of a is here, where a is 2 here, log mod a plus x, that is 2 plus x minus 1 upon a minus x, 2 minus x minus 1 plus c, which is equal to 1 upon 4 log mod 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus x upon 2 minus x plus 1 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 4 log mod 1 plus x upon 3 minus x plus c. So this is the final answer of the question. Next question, question number 3. Find the integral of 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 13 dx. This is equal to 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 13. Now coefficient of x is 6 here, so half of 6 is 3, so adding 3 square and subtracting 3 square to balance it. So this is equal to dx upon these three terms make the whole square of x plus 3 plus 13 minus 9, which is equal to integration of dx upon x plus 3 whole square plus 4, which is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus 4, 4 is equal to 2 square. So dx upon x plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now this integral has taken the form of dx upon x square plus a square. In this type of integral, one of these form is obtained in the last. So now this is equal to 1 upon a, the value of a is 2. So 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon a, that is x plus 3 upon 2 plus c. So this is the final answer of the question. Next question. Find the integral of cos x dx upon sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 5. Now this integral is not in the form 1 upon ax square plus b, but it can be reduced to this form. So let sin x be equal to t here. Now on differentiating, cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x dx can be replaced by dt. So this integral reduces to dt upon sin x is t, so t square plus 4t plus 5. Now this is equal to integral of dt upon, the coefficient of t is 4 here, so half of 4 is 2. So t square plus 4t plus adding 2 square and subtracting 2 square plus 5, which is equal to integral of, which reduces to t dt upon, these three terms make a perfect square, t plus 2 square, t plus 2 whole square, and this 5 minus 4 is equal to plus 1. Now this integral is of the form dx upon x square plus a square form. So we can write here, this is equal to integral of dt upon t plus 2 square plus 1 square. And this is equal to 1 upon a, the value of a is 1 here, tan inverse x upon a, that is t plus 2 upon 1. Now plus c, value of t is equal to sin x. So the final answer is tan inverse sin x plus 2 upon 1 plus c. Next question, find the integral of dx upon x6 plus 1. So in these type of questions in which we have dx upon x xn plus 1, let take this x power 6 plus 1 equal to t. Now on differentiating both sides, we get 6x5 dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to dt upon 6x5. Now replacing dx by this value, we get the integral reduces to dx will be replaced by dt upon 6x5, already one x is there, into this x6 plus 1 is, we have taken it equal to t. Now this 1 upon 6 is a constant, and integration of dx power 6 after multiplication into t, and from here we can find the value of x raised to the power 6 is equal to t minus 1. So putting t minus 1 here, so we get the integral 1 by 6 integration of dt upon t into t minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 6 integral of dt t square minus t. Now this is in this form ax square plus bx, we can write this is equal to 1 by 6 dt upon the t square minus t, half of the coefficient of t, that is 1 upon 2, coefficient of t is 1 here, so adding 1 upon 2 square and subtracting 1 upon 2 square. These three terms make a perfect square, so this is equal to 1 by 6, because minus sign is here, so it is a whole square of a minus b form a minus b. So I can write this is equal to t minus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 square. Now this integral has been reduced to this form, a 1 upon x square minus a square. So this formula will apply here. So 1 by 6 into 1 upon 2a. The value of a is here 1 upon 2 log mod x minus a, that is t minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 upon x plus a, that is t minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. And this 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 by 6 log t minus 1 upon 1 by 2 is cancelled, t plus c. Putting the value of t here, if we put the value of t, then this is equal to 1 by 6 log mod value of t is x6 plus 1 upon x6 x6 plus 1 minus 1 upon x6 plus 1 plus c, and this 1 and 1 is cancelled here, so we get 1 by 6 log mod x6 upon x6 plus 1 plus c. So this is the final answer of the next question. Question number 6. Find the integral of 1 upon 4x square plus 12x plus 5. To make the coefficient of x square, take 4 common in the denominator. So if we take 4 common in the denominator, this expression reduces to x square plus taking 4 common, then 3x plus 5 upon 4 dx. So this is equal to 1 upon 4 is a constant, dx upon x square plus coefficient of x is 3 here. To make it a perfect square, adding the half of the coefficient of x square minus subtracting 3 upon 2 square plus 5 upon 4. So this is equal to 1 upon 4 integral of dx. The first 3 terms make a perfect square, x plus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 3 upon 2 square is 9 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 4 dx upon x plus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 9 upon 4 and plus 5 upon 4 is minus 4 upon 4, that is 1 minus 1. So this can be written as 1 upon 4 dx upon x plus 3 upon 2 square minus 1 square. Now this integral has been transformed to the form x square minus a square. So this is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a. So 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2a, that is 2 into 1 log mod x minus a, x plus 3 by 2 minus 1 upon x plus a, that is x plus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c, which is equal to 1 upon 8 log mod, and 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 upon, here we have 3 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 upon 2 x plus 5 upon 2 plus c. So this is equal to 1 upon 8 log mod 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5 plus c. The denominator get cancelled, 2 and 2 get cancelled. So this is the final answer of this question. So with this question I and today's session. Like and subscribe my channel for new videos and press the bell icon. Thank you students.